If you want precision and ease in your crafting projects, the best cordless glue gun delivers unmatched convenience. With no cords to restrict movement, it heats quickly, bonds securely, and lets you work freely on any DIY or repair task. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. RYOBI ONE Plus 18V Glue Gun. The RYOBI ONE Plus 18V glue gun is a reliable, cordless solution designed for users who value consistency, compatibility, and everyday practicality. Powered by the well-known RYOBI ONE Plus battery platform, this glue gun fits seamlessly into existing RYOBI tool collections, making it especially appealing for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and workshop users who already own ONE Plus batteries. Its cordless design removes the limitations of power cords, allowing you to work freely on crafts, repairs, or light construction tasks without being tied to an outlet. The glue gun heats up quickly and maintains a steady temperature, ensuring smooth glue flow for clean, controlled application across a variety of materials, such as wood, plastic, fabric, and light metal surfaces. The full-size design feels solid in the hand, while the balanced weight distribution helps reduce strain during longer projects. RYOBI's attention to durability is evident in the build quality, making this glue gun suitable for repeated use in both home and garage environments. Safety features such as an integrated stand help keep the hot nozzle stable when not in use, minimizing mess and accidental contact. Overall, the RYOBI ONE Plus 18V glue gun stands out as a dependable, no-nonsense tool that prioritizes cordless convenience, brand ecosystem compatibility, and steady performance, making it a smart, long-term addition for users who want a glue gun they can rely on for a wide range of everyday tasks.
Number 2. ThinkWork 20V Glue Gun. The ThinkWork 20V glue gun is a powerful cordless option built for users who want speed, freedom, and high output in a single tool. Designed to eliminate the restrictions of traditional corded glue guns, this model offers true portability, allowing you to work comfortably anywhere from craft rooms to outdoor repair spaces. Its 2000 mAh high-capacity battery delivers up to 60 minutes of continuous runtime, making it suitable for longer projects without frequent recharging. The fast preheating system brings the gun up to working temperature in about 2 minutes, significantly reducing downtime and helping you stay productive. One of its strongest advantages is the impressive glue output rate of 0.7 ounces per minute, which is far higher than most standard glue guns and ideal for tasks that require strong bonding or quick coverage. The low leakage nozzle design helps maintain a cleaner workspace by minimizing drips and wasted glue. Ergonomically shaped, the handle and trigger provide comfort for different hand sizes, reducing fatigue during extended use. Included accessories such as full-size glue sticks and sealing waxes expand its versatility for crafts, DIY projects, home repairs, and light construction needs. Overall, the ThinkWork 20V glue gun is a high-performance, cordless tool that combines fast heating, strong output, and practical design, making it an excellent choice for users who want efficiency and flexibility in their glue gun.
Number 3. Gogonova 20V Glue Gun. The Gogonova 20V glue gun is a feature-rich cordless glue gun designed for users who want precision, control, and safety in their crafting and repair projects. What sets this model apart is the LCD digital display, which provides real-time temperature readings and allows for accurate temperature adjustments across a wide range. This level of control makes it ideal for working with different materials, from delicate fabrics to heavier-duty surfaces without the risk of overheating or weak adhesion. Powered by a dedicated Gogonova battery, the glue gun delivers around 30 to 40 minutes of runtime after a full charge, offering reliable cordless performance for focused tasks. The fast heating system reduces waiting time to approximately 2 minutes, allowing you to start working quickly. Its ergonomic design, featuring a rubberized handle, ensures a comfortable grip and better control during use. Safety and cleanliness are also prioritized through the dripless structure and heat-resistant aluminum nozzle, which help prevent glue leakage and accidental burns. Built with a solid 60-watt heating system, this glue gun is suitable not only for crafts and DIY projects, but also for heavier applications like woodworking and home repairs. Overall, the Gogonova 20V glue gun is an excellent choice for users who value temperature accuracy, clean operation, and thoughtful design in a cordless glue gun.
Number 4. ThinkLearn 20V glue gun. The ThinkLearn 20V glue gun is a thoughtfully designed cordless glue gun that focuses on long runtime, fast performance, and user-friendly features. Equipped with a rechargeable battery capable of delivering up to 1 hour of continuous use, it outperforms many standard glue guns and is well suited for extended crafting or repair sessions. The fast preheating system, powered by a strong 100W heating element, brings the glue gun to working temperature in just about 120 seconds, allowing you to start projects with minimal delay. Its cordless operation adds convenience and flexibility, making it easy to use in areas without nearby power outlets. The built-in battery indicator helps you monitor remaining power, reducing unexpected interruptions. With a high dispensing speed of 0.7 ounces per minute, this glue gun significantly improves work efficiency compared to traditional models. The anti-drip nozzle design helps prevent leaks, saving glue sticks and keeping your workspace clean, while the included PVC mat adds an extra layer of protection. Designed with comfort and style in mind, this model is particularly popular for arts, crafts, and creative DIY projects. Overall, the ThinkLearn 20V glue gun combines strong performance, portability, and thoughtful accessories, making it a versatile and appealing option for both beginners and experienced users.
Number 5. ThinkWork Temp Glue Gun. The ThinkWork Temp Glue Gun is a premium cordless glue gun built for users who demand precision, speed, and a complete ready-to-use kit. Featuring a smart LCD display, this model allows precise temperature control within a wide range, making it suitable for both delicate craft materials and heavy-duty repair tasks. The powerful 100W heating system melts glue in just 2 minutes, while the 2000 mAh battery provides up to 60 minutes of cordless runtime, offering an excellent balance between performance and portability. Its fast glue dispensing rate of 0.7 ounces per minute ensures efficient bonding, especially for larger projects that require consistent glue flow. The low leakage nozzle design minimizes drips and mess, helping maintain a clean and organized workspace. Ergonomically designed with a comfortable grip, this glue gun reduces hand fatigue and feels easy to control during extended use. What truly enhances its value is the comprehensive accessory kit, which includes multiple glue sticks, sealing wax, silicone pads, finger cots, and a storage bag, making it ideal for gifting or immediate use. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.